Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a perfectly flat, clean work area and gathering materials: a plastic sheet, a clean towel, heavy flat weights, and acid-free tissue. Once ready, place the plastic down, lay the poster face up, and position a damp towel on the plastic near, not on the paper, to raise humidity slightly. You do this because gentle moisture relaxes paper fibers. Make sure not to wet the poster directly, as water weakens adhesives and inks. Once the poster's fibers have softened in the humid chamber, carefully unroll only a small section at a time, supporting the paper with both hands to prevent new stress points. Make sure to place acid-free tissue under any area you touch to keep oils and dirt off the surface. Then, progressively lay the poster flat and add thin, even weights. Center first, then toward the edges, so the paper settles without snapbacks. This staged approach reduces tear risk and evens drying tension. You complete the job by keeping the poster under flat, heavy weights for 1 to 3 days. This ensures fibers reform in the flattened position. Make sure the environment is cool and dry while it sets. Once dry, mend small tears with archival, acid-free tape and store the poster flat or loosely rolled on a wide tube to prevent refolding. If the curl persists, try a very low-heat iron through a protective cloth. But if mold or brittleness appears, contact a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.